Welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing Session. Let us see a term called OOPS or Object Oriented Programming System is a programming paradigm based on the concept of objects which can contain data on the code, data in the form of fields often known as attributes or properties, and code in the form of procedures often known as methods. A common feature of object is that procedure or methods are attached to them and can access or modify the object's data field. In this OOP, there is usually a special name such as this or special self used to refer the current object. In OOP, current computer programs are designed by making them out of objects that interact with one another. OOP languages are diverse, but the most popular are class-based, meaning that objects are instances of classes which also determine their types. Many of the most widely used programming languages such as C++, Java, Python, etc. are multi-paradigm and they support object-oriented programming to a greater extent, typically in combination with the imperative procedural programming. Thanks for watching. Bye.